Alright, it's the same transporter. I'm going to show you, that's the actual valve. That's an EGR valve, which is controlled by the computer. I've taken the top cover off, like I've shown in the other video from before. But let's have a look inside here. Alright, look how dirty the valve is. That is extremely, really dirty if you ask me. Look at that. That is never been opened up before to actually clean. So cleaning with product is good, but nothing beats when you actually take it out and clean it out properly. So this valve here, it's sticky, so we're going to press it down up, and then that's why it doesn't come up. The spring is not strong enough to push it up because of the actual carbon deposit around the actual valve. So that's got to be cleaned first before I do anything else. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.